Ready to get your audit license in UAE? Don't even try without watching this. Do you smell that? That's the scent of freshly audited financials in one of the world's fastest growing economies. If you have ever asked how to get audit license in UAE, you are not alone. Because in a country where every second company is expanding, demand for auditors is rising faster than Burj Khalifa's elevators. And the best part? You could be the next licensed audit pro with just the right qualifications, approvals, and this video is your toolkit. Before we dive into the process, let's understand why the UAE is audit gold. UAE's non-oil GDP hit 81.9 trillion in 2024, up by 6.5%, led by trade, real estate, tech, and tourism. Dubai welcomed 17.2 million tourists in 2024, and startups saw over 82.3 million in VC funding. The introduction of corporate tax in 2023 and economic substance regulation means, drumroll, auditors are no longer optional, they are essential. Over 70% of businesses in the UAE require annual audit reports for compliance, funding, and license renewals. In short, no auditors, no business license. Audits are like Wi-Fi in UAE. You may not always see them, but try running a business without one. What is an audit license in UAE? Now that you are sold on the why, here's the what. An audit license in a UAE is an official approval issued by the Ministry of Economy that allows individuals or firms to perform statutory audits, assurance services, and financial reviews for companies operating in the UAE. It's your ticket to offer audit services in Dubai, sign off on financials, and basically play financial watchdog for everyone from SMEs to organizations. So how to get audit license in UAE? Here's step-by-step guide. Let's break it down. Number 1, get qualified. What all you need? A bachelor's degree in accounting or related field, or at least 15 accounting credit hours, or at least 3 years of post-degree auditing experience, less if you hold a master's PhD. Or be certified by recognized body ACCA, CPA, CA, ICAW, or etc. Number 2, pass the UAE Fellowship exams conducted by Emirates Association for Accountants and Auditors. Here are the topics: IFRS, that is International Financial Reporting Standards, and ISA, that is International Standards on Auditing, and UAE Tax and Commercial Laws. So here's the format: 70 questions per paper, 60% pass mark validity, 2 years to complete all 3 exams. It's like playing GTA, but the missions are accounting standards and the corps are the Ministry of Economy. Step 3, join EAAA and submit application registration with EAAA. The membership fee is just AED 315. What all needs to be submitted? Number 1, degree and transcripts. Number 2, your experience letters. Number 3, your exam results. And last but not the least, the passport, Emirates ID and photo. Apart from the above mentioned documents, we also require your professional security insurance of minimum 500,000 dirhams in coverage. The license cost is just 4,500 dirhams for 3 years processed by the Ministry of Economy. Step 4, starting your audit firm in UAE. Want to go solo or build your audit empire? What all you'll need? At least 2 partners, 1 UAE national holding minimum 25% equity, valid commercial license. Number 2, internal quality controls. So, there are 1,000 plus audit firms in Dubai alone, but quality, not quantity, is what wins clients. You don't just open a firm, you build a credibility factory with balance sheets, not burgers. License renewals and CPE, valid for 3 years. You must complete at least 30 hours of continuing professional education CPE each year. Report any changes like address, partner changes to MOE within 30 days. So here's your warning: delay, fines or blacklisting. Missing renewals is like missing tax deadlines. You don't want to be that guy in finance? Why this is the right time UAE ranks. Number 1 globally in entrepreneurship, 2024 GEM report. Number 1 in MENA for case of doing businesses. 94% of UAE companies are SMEs. Massive demand for affordable, reliable auditors. Audit services are expected to grow by 13.5% CAGR by 2028 in the GCC region. And with corporate tax, ESR, AML, and VAT regulations, every company is now under the scanner. You can either audit the future or be the audit out of it. So why? You should partner with DhanGuard. UAE's audit licensing process can be overwhelming. That's where DhanGuard comes in. From exam preparation to document support, from MOE filing to renewal and compliance, from helping you launch your audit firm in Dubai to scaling it up. DhanGuard is your expert guide in every step. We have helped over 500 plus auditors and audit firms get licensed, stay compliant, and succeed in the UAE. Need help with the audit license in Dubai? Contact DhanGuard, your one-stop solution for audit services in Dubai and beyond. Wrap up. There's you have it. Everything you need to know about how to get audit license in UAE. From qualifications to MOE approval to launching your own audit firm, it's all here. Like the video, smash that like button, subscribe for more UAE business setup secrets, drop your questions in the comments, our experts are ready to reply fast.